Easter Sunday, Blueberry House. Continued. Mama and the puppies. And that's my baby Lou and the puppies. And the boys are being the boys. Alice got places to see. This is not Alice, this is Bella. Come on, Babuika. Come on, little puppies. Yes, that's my little brownie. Edward being gorgeous. He's such a pretty boy. With the bone. And Bella found something good to chew. It's a beautiful girl. Mama is there. The boys are playing. And that's how we do it.